Holy smokes, guys. It is indeed a new truck. Holy cow. Look how huge it is. Alright, let's take a step into it. This is the key fob. Oh my goodness. Got limited. Look at the interior, guys. This is an amazing car. Truck, I mean. Look at the back. Let's open it. Let me see if I can do it like this. Oh yeah, this is better. You hear it, it went back up. My best part of all is this button right here. No, this button right here. Just wait for it. Let's put the AC on. Wait for it. Wow. Big panoramic sunroof, guys. Look at this interior. It wasn't my favorite color. I like the key wrench, but this, it's growing on me. It's a beauty. We have folding mirrors. It's this button. These are locking the windows, automatic windows, lock door, headlights. This is to move the pedal up, down. Let's see if you guys can see it. Sorry for my Crocs. Did you guys see that? It has this automatic thingy. What? That's so cool. I just found this button amazing, guys. It is amazing. We have 2 USB outlets there. One right here for your household electronic. So let's turn it off. And we open the door. Limited on the bottom, and it comes out automatically. Okay, guys, this is the new truck. This is what we've been working towards, and this is what we're gonna be building. Also, guys, the reason I got the car is because I was gonna get another car, but then I was like, no, I'm gonna just save up. But on my last day driving it, I parked it.
The next day, the motherfucker was dead.
The next day, it never turned on again. I was like, I want to get this truck. It was either now or never. So that's what happened. There was a guy that was gonna come for it, but he wanted $350. I mean, I said yeah, but I wanted to get it gone, but I wasn't gonna let it go. It's, you know, baby engine. And he asked for the top fuse cover. That. He also asked for a lot. He wanted this whole harness. He wanted me to take it out. Everything for $350. I was like, you know what? It's not gonna work out. Guys, for comparison, look how big it is. The hood is the size of my roof. I had to bend down to get in. Now I have to just walk in to get into that. Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Oh, welcome back to the same video. I am cleaning up. So tomorrow in the morning, I will be dumping those oil buckets. I have already like 7 gallons. So I have like 7 gallons so far. I'm just doing it. Look at this mess, bro. Oh my goodness. That's the oil. So I'm just trying to clean up. It's 9:30. My girlfriend's asleep, so we were gonna go to Walmart. I'm just gonna clean this place up. So, and I'm gonna fix the tools and everything. It's gonna look better. It's gonna look so much better. Alright guys, so I just put the tools away basically, and that's it. That's about it, guys. I'm gonna call it a night, and I'm gonna see you guys another time.